It's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. Welcome to my channel. First of all, guys, I am wearing one of my favorite pieces of jewelry. You would have seen this in Friday's video. This is, I got this from ASOS, I think, and it wasn't even very expensive. I'm going to leave the card above for you guys to check it out. This piece of jewelry is so versatile. You can wear this with just about anything. I am wearing a really thin sweater today, not very thick, not very thin. I've had this in my collection for a very long time. I don't remember where I got this from. But as you can see, this piece of jewelry adds a bit of a punch to this outfit. It is so pretty, so cute. And again, you can dress this up or down however you want. It's great. Love it. And I have a feeling you guys are going to be seeing this piece of jewelry in every video. I can almost guarantee. Anywho, in today's video, we are going to talk fashions. We are going to talk beautiful off-the-shoulder fashion for women, mature women, young women to look nice and simple and classy for the summer season. They may not be appropriate for work, depending on where you work. But if you're going out in the evening or something like a social event, maybe wedding reception, blah, 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 wedding reception, a party, any kind of get together when you're able to, these pieces are going to be so fantastic for you guys. You can try to find these or you can get something that's similar. You are going to see these on. Let's get started. And we are going to start with this orange top. And this is one of those colors that I cannot remember when was the last time I had something like this in my wardrobe. This is so beautiful. We're going to get right into the video. Beautiful, beautiful top. Gorgeous. And I love the frill sleeves. I may show you guys a close-up in the video, but I'm going to show you guys right here. I mean, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. That is so pretty. That's the sleeve. It's like a bell sleeve top. And you do have beautiful gathering just around the shoulder. And I'm just wearing a simple piece of jewelry. You would have seen that also in Friday's video. This is the top. It's not very long. And you can see the beautiful, gorgeous, tiny pleating on this top. It is so beautiful. And of course with orange, you can wear this with black, of course, because I'm wearing a pair of black leggings in the video. You can wear this with white. You can wear this with a stone color. I would say if you want to go in with maybe like a light orangey type of a color, that would be fantastic too. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Date night, date evening, lunchtime, brunch, whatever you want to do, or wherever you want to go, this is going to be absolutely perfect. It is a gorgeous top. Off the shoulder, and of course you can put any kind of jewelry you wish with this, some bangles, crossbody bag, and you are good to go. Absolutely gorgeous. I also got this in the black as well. This is so beautiful. Same design around the sleeves. You have like a bell sleeve kind of detail going on right there. Very comfortable. You can wear this with a pair of shorts, bangalines, crop pants, leggings, straight pants, however you want. And these are basically summer wear. And you can dress this up however you want. If you're going out, let's say to the theater in the evening, you want to go out for, again, let's say brunch, lunch, meeting up with friends, a lovely dinner party. If you want to wear this to a summer wedding, this would be absolutely awesome. The orange one would be great for weddings as well. Very, very, very pretty, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, love it. And it has a little bit of a lower back to the bottom here. It's really nice. And I love the details just around the edge of this. It's white. Very, very, very pretty. And again, very, very versatile top. You can even put on your chunky jewelry with this as well to make it look really nice. Lovely, maybe a watch and some jewelry and you are good to go. This is a full sleeve right here. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Love it. Next, I do have this one. You would have seen this in a video some time back. I got this piece from Amazon. Very nice as well. Lovely stretch, oops, just around the shoulders. And you can see the elastic details right there. You can tie the sleeves in a bow. And then of course, lovely sleeve here as well. And I love the blue and white stripe, very pretty. This one is a little bit longer to the back, so if you're a little bit uncomfortable with your bum being exposed, this is going to be so nice to cover the rear area. Very, very pretty. Love this. Very, very soft material. And this is in the size medium, because when you're buying off the shoulder tops with elastic, don't go up. You need to go down a size, because you know when the elastic, let's say for example, wears out at some point, depending on how you treat your garment, it's going to be too big. So always go down a size. And this is nicely made. This is a solid construction garment. There we go. Very pretty. Love it. I love the flow of this to keep you nice and cool, just like the orange and the black that you've just seen. Very flowy. It just keeps the breeze going through the garment, keeping you nice and cool. Very, very pretty. Love this. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Very, very pretty. And so I do have, oops, this one here. This one is a little bit more dressed up. This is from, I think, River Island. Very, very, very nice. As you can see, the sequence detail in there. Very, very, very pretty. I would say this one is a little bit more social than anything else. You know what I mean? If you're really going to, let's say, like an anniversary party, or this, I would say, wedding for sure, an engagement, again, meeting the family for the first time or something like that, you never know. And this is just very, very pretty, just fits nicely. I love the length of this, very nice. And of course, you know, you have the elastic to the sleeve. You can push this up on your arm, you can keep it as it is. It's like a 3/4 sleeve as well. Very pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the sequence detail. It's not too overdone, so you can absolutely 100% wear this for the summer season. On the inside, let me just see, it's not very thick. This is going to keep you nice and cool. It's not scratchy or anything like that. It has a bit of a weight to it. It's very, very pretty. Love this. This one here, I love as well. This is absolutely gorgeous, black and white. You do have the little bow detail here, and you can tie to the front. And it's more of a square neck off the shoulder top. Very pretty. You can pull the sleeves up again, or you can leave them down, and it's elasticated here, so it's going to be very, very comfortable. And I love the fact that you do have at the edge a little bit of a frill detail happening here. And of course you have that elastic stretch as well. And it fits just right over the bum. Very, very, very pretty. You are going to look so neat and classy and very, very pretty in these tops. They're really, really, really nice. I mean, if you're over 50 like I am, you can definitely wear these and look really classy, beautiful, and simple. I love when women look so well put together. I mean, you get up in the morning and you forget that you've got no milk in the fridge. Don't go out with sweatpants and sweatshirts. Just comb your hair, throw this on, go get a box of milk and come back. Okay, look neat on your way out. Okay, very pretty. Love that. So the other one that I have for you guys, I forgot to steam this, so just forgive all the wrinkles that you will see. This one, I'm not quite sure which one's my favorite though. It's hard to pick. This is a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous, sexy top. Oh my God. What I love about this top is the fact that you do have this curved design to the front, which is very short, and it hangs nicely to the back like a bat sleeve. Very pretty, nice stretch in here. What size is this? I don't even remember. This is a size medium. And there we go, very, very pretty. And it's long to the back, so it covers your rear nicely. So you're gonna feel nice and comfortable. And you do have this extra piece right there. It just flows really nicely. Let's say you're out on a beautiful windy day. This is just going to flow nicely in the breeze. It's going to look so lovely. And of course you can go in with any kind of jewelry. I mean, I am wearing my favorite chunky jewelry today. I mean, this is going to look absolutely sexy when you put that on with this top. Again, here it is. Very, very nice, very flowy, very soft, light garment for the summer season. If you are beginning to entertain at home, put this on with a pair of leggings. It's gonna look lovely. White, black, red, green, whatever color you want, it's gonna go beautiful. And I love the white piping to the edge. It looks so beautiful and sexy, gorgeous. And last but not least, I do have this off-the-shoulder dress for you. Now, I have the tag on here. This is from River Island, and this was only 38. I'm just taking the tag off here. This was only 38 pounds, and this is a little bit more for dressy piece. If you are getting married for the second time, wear this as a wedding dress. Why not? It's very, very pretty. Love it. And this can be a work wear. I would definitely wear this piece to work and put maybe like a scarf over top, like over your shoulder, if you are in the office, if you dare, depending on where you work. Most people do work from home nowadays, so who needs an office, right? And of course you do have the elasticated sleeves right here. And again, very, very, very flowy. It's a maxi dress, and I love the elastic, as you can see right there. I hope you can see that. Elastic stretch. And you do have a piece underneath that's going to protect your underwear, so no one's going to see what you are wearing. It is very, very pretty. Love this dress, and this again is a size 12, okay? Because anything that has a bit of elastic in it, I always go down a size, because you don't want it to be too big and stretch and doesn't look too good when you put it on, you know what I mean? And this is a gorgeous piece. It's like an off-white color. It may look a little bit more white on screen, but it is an off-white color, and I love this. It's very, very, very pretty, gorgeous. As you can see right there, it is a size 12. Fits perfectly, absolutely love this. And the sleeves are very, very light. It will definitely keep you nice and cool for the summer season. Very, very, very pretty. So I am going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up one of these or find something that's similar. But these are awesome, beautiful, gorgeous off-the-shoulder tops that you can wear for the summer season. Summer is short-lived. And like I said in my last video, if I'm going to be doing any shopping, I want my shopping to be practical, and I want to be able to have key pieces that I know that it's going to last for a very long time. And of course, these you can wear over and over and over again for every single summer. So I do hope you guys enjoy my fashion video today. I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. Lovely to have you here. Please watch the videos to the end. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!